This video is just for education purpose.
Hi traders, welcome back to this new video. Today in this video, I will discuss about top 4 cheapest but high quality prop firm in the CFD prop firm industry. So as you can see on my video thumbnail that I am going to compare top 4 cheapest instant funding prop firms in this video. Before starting this video, I would like to request you to like this video and subscribe this channel. Help me to grow this channel. Your support is much needed to grow this channel. So please subscribe this channel. Let's back to the main video. So I have selected this 4 prop firm for CFD instant funding based on their reputation, challenge price, payout frequency, payout rejection, and overall CFD prop firm rank. Also many other small things that matters in regards good prop firms. So let's begin the video. The number 1 instant funding prop firm in my top 4 instant funding prop firm list is Blue Guardian. So why I picked Blue Guardian as a number 1 instant funding prop firm in the prop firm industry? If you see their instant funding models, you will get a starter model here, and also there have standard models. Both models price is industry cheapest. If you check the starter model, you will see a 5k instant funding account is just for $10, which is impossible or insane price that can't offer any other prop firm which is never rejects any payouts for any traders till now. So this is insane offer actually. What you will get in this instant funding model? You will get a 5k instant funding account, time period indefinite, that means unlimited, maximum daily loss 3%, $150, maximum loss 5%, $250. Profit target none, account leverage is 1:30, payout frequency, instant payout, profit split 90%. The fees is only $10. And if you check the standard, you will get a 5k instant funding account only for $59, which is a refundable fee. They will give you 100% refund. Here you can see the evaluation fee you paid for the account you completed is fully refundable when you receive your 4th payout. If you hard breach your account before reaching your 4th payout, it is not refundable. So you can check rest. If you compare with other prop firm and the same account sizes, you will see a massive price difference. I will show with other prop firm. If you want to check their complete trading rules and objects, you can browse their FAQ section. Here you will get all the question answers that you want to know. And also they have 1-step, 2-step, 3-step and crypto funding model as well. So from my experience, I can tell you this is one of the top and high quality CFD prop firm in this prop firm industry 2026. And also here you can see a February offer is going on, 45% of 5k to 50k and 35% of 100k to 400k account plus 200% refund, which means if you purchase a $100 account, once you pass your evaluation and reach the payout, you will get $200 refund of your purchasing fees, which is a very good offer to pick this right now. Now I will discuss about the number 2 instant funding prop firm in my top 4 instant funding prop firm list, which is Aqua Funded. Yes, also there is a offer going on, 35% off and 120% refund plus BOGO, which is buy one get one free. This is a limited time offer with the code of Aqua. I will attach all the prop firm links and discount codes in my video description. If you want to check yourself, please go to my video description and check it out. So let's check their funding model. Here you can see, as this is the instant funding comparing video, so I will check the instant funding model. Here you can see the instant funding pro starts from 2.5k. We will compare with 5k. If you click on 5k, here you will see the price is $74. Still, this is a cheapest instant funding model comparing to other prop firms, as this is a very good and high quality prop firm, never rejects the traders payout with any silly reason. So this is very good price to pick a 5k instant funding from Aqua Funded. So what you will get? You will get a daily maximum 3% drawdown, and maximum drawdown is 6%, which is $300. You just pay $74 and you will get a $300 limit to loss or make profit using this $300 loss limit. Account leverage 1:50, which is very good. Reward payout on demand, which means they will pay when you want. Profit split up to 100%, which is insane actually. Reward guarantee 100% profit split, unlimited trading period. That means there is no trading period limit. And also, if you are a new trader, you will get 50% flat offer plus $100 extra when you pass your evaluation. It's just for a new trader with code of welcome. Here you can see. I will attach all the discount codes and platform links in my video description. Also, in the Blue Guardian, you will get a 50% flat discount offer if you are a first time on this platform. So let's back to this. And also they have 1 step, 2 step, 3 step funding model as well. And if you check standard model on the instant funding model, 5k $76. There is not a massive difference, just $2. But difference will be on trading rules. If you want to check their complete trading rules and objects, you may browse their FAQ section and check your desired trading rules. I'm not discussing in details in this video because the video will be very long. So let's go to our number 3 prop firm. The number 3 cheapest and high quality instant funding prop firm of my top 4 instant funding prop firm list, which is Godfunded Trader. Yes, this is a very good and high quality prop firm. Also, they never reject traders payout and they holding a very good reputation. You may already know. So let's check their instant funding model. They have 2 types of instant funding model. One is God, which is most popular, and second is Pro, which is new. They have added newly. So if we check 5k instant funding account, the God account price is $70, which is very similar to previous one. And you will get no minimum profit target, 3% daily drawdown, maximum drawdown is 6%, trading period is unlimited, reward bi-weekly, and that means you will get payout every 14 days, profit is split to 100% by taking an add-on, news trading allowed, weekend holding allowed, which is very good. And also you will get a flat 50% discount if you are a first in this prop firm. Also they have another instant funding model which is starts from 2.5k. We will compare 5k, which is $76, and the God challenge was $70, and the Pro challenge is $76. So what you will get? Profit target, no profit target, which is similar. Daily drawdown, none, which is very good, and maximum drawdown is 4%. That means you will use maximum drawdown every day. There is no limit. Trading period unlimited, profit schedule bi-weekly, profit split 80% standard, and you can increase to 100% by taking add-ons. News trading allowed, weekend holding allowed also. If you want to know more about their trading objects and rules, you can check their FAQ section. Here you will get all the terms and conditions. Also, they have 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, instant, and God bless. This is special. So many trading models. If you want to check yourself, I will attach all the discount codes and prop firm links in my video description. Please check it out yourself. And now we will go to our number 4 instant funding prop firm from my top 4 high quality and cheapest instant funding prop firm. The number 4 is instantfunding.com, which was instantfunding.io. Why this is number 4? Because of sometimes it rejects traders payout for silly reasons. So let's check their cheapest instant funding models. Here you can see, if you check their instant funding models, you will see IF Micro. Click on the IF Micro and it starts from 5k and the price is only $42. So what you will get by $42? Payout on demand, profit target none, daily drawdown is 4%, maximum drawdown 6%, profit split 80%. Scaling, you can check account size grow by 25% every 90 days if 10% profit achieves up to double the starting size. Minimum trading days, none. News trading and weekend holding is allowed, which is very good. Leverage is currencies 1:100, commodities 1:20, indices 1:20, crypto 1:2. They have another model, IF1, actually which is a gambling model. Duration is 24 hours. The account validity is 24 hours. If you want to take their 5k IF1 model, you have to pay $38 and you will get 24 hours to trade. There is no profit target. Daily drawdown 2%, maximum drawdown 4%, profit split 90%, scaling none, minimum trading days none, holding overnight available, holding over weekend available, leverage similar. So I think this is not a good one to go. You can go with IF Micro, and also they have a standard instant funding model. You can check yourself. Starts from 625. The price is $44. The maximum drawdown is 10%, which is $62.5. So you just have to pay $44 and profit is split 80%. There is a scaling opportunity up to 1.28 million. Minimum trading days none. Holding overnight, yes. Holding over the weekend, not available. Leverage is 1:100 currencies. Commodities 1:20. Indices 1:20. Crypto 1:2. So IF Micro is the cheapest one and the trading conditions are decent to go, but they have a history to reject some payouts of many traders. So in generally, I would not prefer to go with this platform, but it's your choice. If you want to check yourself, go to my video description. You will get all the platform links with the current offer and discount codes. So please leave a comment which platform you like most, which one you prefer to go. And if you want to know any specific question or information for a specific platform, please leave a comment. I will reply every comment. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.